I can't. I need to be revived up close
Motherfucker.
Up close and personal.
Get me up. I'll see if I can lob a grenade. I'll lob a... Have I got a grenade?
It's
Yeah,
gone.
I've got a flashbang. I've got a flashbang. That might help.
Let's just have a little look.
Or not.
Yeah, it did. It helped. A little bit.
Are you down now, Zanku, as well?
I don't know what you mean.
Yeah, that would be a yes then, I presume.
If you mean I'm down with the boys, yeah.
Yeah. So it's only Psycho Hammer again that's keeping us alive. We should hang our heads in shame now, don't we? Are you down too?
Apparently, I'm waiting for a revive.
I don't think that's going to happen.
Respawn.
Yeah.
Did we all die?
Oh shit. Ah, no.
Broke something.
That was me.
Sack the juggler.
Oh, Dave, what you done?
Throwing coke everywhere. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Back in a minute.
Oh, fucking hell. That sounded painful.
Sorry, I'm so fucking sorry.
No.
Where are you going?
I've got to start taking pot shots.
So juice everywhere is pretty much tapping into that priority. I need a, yeah.
Warning. Additional hostiles incoming.
Ah, shit. No, what are you doing?
Yeah, got him. Just poke his head up.
What a spastic.
Yep.
Just, let that up.
What are you doing? Stood there.
Do you know what doesn't go well with
Lobbing a
computers?
grenade. What's your
Coca-Cola.
problem?
I've known this.
Oh,
Grenade.
grenade.
Yes,
It's one of them fucking wacky backy grenades. Sends your head a bit fucky.
oh, my mouse pad. My mouse pad is gone. It went fucking everywhere. I know. Controller. Well, luckily, most of it's off. Well, everything is not.
Oh, motherfucker! I didn't realise it come this fucking far down. Help me, Paul. Don't look at me.
I don't know where you are.
I'm coming towards you. Oh. What kind of friend are you?
You're right.
Shut up fucking shit. You can't.
I was behind you.
Okay.
Oh, watch me die. They're coming for you now, Dave. Love the way we can hear him blowing it out of stuff as well. He must have got coke fucking everywhere.
Hands buttons.
Don't worry about that. We'll get back to the game. So, the game is
Hiya,
then
Kyla.
thousands of pounds worth of stuff. So.
What did you do? Throw it up in the air?
Sorry.
He must have done. Don't run off. Stay there.
Shut up. Here's the
Oh,
memo.
dude. Just imagine it now. Like, woo!
Getting all excitable.
It's got it all aroused.
This is ace! Oh shit.
It was like, do you reckon it was like a coke volcano?
Yeah. It was like putting a full tube of Mentos in it.
That's how excited he was.
Yep. It was.
Oh, fuck.
There was a Coke Spider-Man jizz action going on.
Okay.
Do you reckon Dave, do you realise that we could hear everything you were saying? No, he's not. He don't know. Absolutely don't know.
This stream's gonna be so good.
Sophia.
Where is he? Hold on. Where's his character? Here we are.
I'm tired.
Let's give him some.
Hold on,
There we go.
hold on.
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you, Kyler.
There you go. Clap at him.
Woo! Yay!
Well, that's why I got up, because it was hurting.
Woo! Coke awesome.
Your balls.
It should be alright. Where's the lead for that?
Let's give him claps. There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
Nice one. Yep. Yep. Well played.
Yeah.
Well played, that man.
Well played, Dave. Well played.
Well played. Good
Well
innings.
played. Got so excited. Coke went everywhere because he couldn't hold it in, and then his wife had to help him clean it up.
I'll get it off. I'll get it.
And he still can't hear a word we're saying.
Ace.
I hope is this going live? I hope it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. Oh, poor Dave. Well done, Dave. Well done.
Good innings.
Yes.
Unlucky.
Yes.
Unlucky Yoki.
Bravo.
Bravo, that man.
Bravo.
Right.
Coca-Cola expert.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Hurrah.
I like it, yeah.
Huzzah. Huzzah.
That's definitely done. Sorry, again. Just apologising.
He's apologising to his adoring public.
Oh, fuck me.
Sorry, honey.
These things happen.
Frequently.
Oh. Are you back on yet, Dave? Can you hear a word we're saying? No.
No.
He doesn't realise he's getting raped.
That broadcasting, I think it was as well. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Wreck.
Okay, what a span.
Wreck. Talk about
Oh,
getting roasted
Jesus.
live on stream.
I'm back.
I know.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. He's back.
No, now I am. Oh,
Hurrah!
sorry, dude.
all hail
Hurrah! Yay!
all hail Dave, the fabulous juggler of coke.
Fucking.
Oh, does that make him a cock juggler? Coke juggler, I mean.
What? Right, where have I gone? I'm back.
Where have you gone?
Oh,
I'm here.
You've been on your hands and knees and everywhere, mate.
I know, fucking clean. It went every fucking way. I mean, everywhere. You've got a bit of tissue, a bit more tissue.
oh.
Hurrah!
Hurrah!
Do you know what? Kiss it.
Hurrah!
Kiss it. Just put next to sister. I could get a bit of
I'll
tissue.
get you.
Fucking.
Top score! Yes!
I would actually flick you the V's, to be fair.
You was
I
what?
would actually flick you the V's.
Flick it. He was flicking the
Why?
beat.
That was probably flicking the B too. Oh, sorry. No, I'll get
How
you.
about that one? No!
Was it?
No!
Was it the fact that the coke came out of your vagina?
Do you know what? In all the years I've had a setup, do you know what? That's the first time I've ever done that. I've heard.
It sounded
Oh, well.
painful when it happened.
It did.
It sounded like there was smashed glass.
No smash
You
glass.
busted cherry then, hadn't you?
I have. It fucking. I didn't. What it was?
Well-
You've seen it. They've got like a desk with like a ledge on, like a little ledge, and my headphones. As I leant back, the headphone string went tight and knocked it off.
All I can say is not fit for purpose.
No, it's not, my friend. No, it's not. Neither am
I
I.
must get a beer and drink it rather than spill it.
Yeah, that's the way forward. Right, I don't think we lost anything of any consequence.
Oh no, you wait till you watch this stream back, it's gold.
Well, you take,
I'll tell
are
you.
you taking the piss? It's alright, that's not me
No,
running.
not at all.
That's not me running, by the way. That's me just because I've got the the keypad on my joypad. Come on, what was you saying? Cheeky bastards. So I'll be laughing at my expense.
Nothing, mate.
Laughing at my expense, weren't you?
No.
Yeah, fucking. They're trying to pivot that upwards. I think that should be alright. I don't think. Just to be fair. Oh no, there's loads underneath there. Oh, okay, there's a fair bit. Alright, okay. Let's see if we can just clean that out. Just for a split second. There's no way of a dump.
Well, he's gone for a beer already, hasn't he?
Exactly, that's it, isn't it? So I'm not exactly missing much. There's a load of Coca-Cola in there.
At least it didn't fall on any gear.
It did. What I'm saying, it went on the computer and everything.
Oh,
That's what I was trying to say. That's why it was a fucking... Yeah, it was like the worst possible thing he could have done. But no matter. We'll get there. Right. That's Mark from Vista. Where are you now? Why are you... What? Why? Why has that happened? Alright. Okay. Right, super. Okay, I think I'm back in action. I've got a lot of tissue all over me, but I think I'm back in action now. Oh,
tissue all of you, eh?
I have. I don't think anybody's watching. The thing is, the stream is pissing me off recently. It keeps telling me I'm offline.